Welcome to the Virgin Islands, home of crystal clear Caribbean water and incredible island living. When you come to visit the Virgin Islands, there's lots of ways to get out and see the sights, some by land and some by sea. One of the preferred activities here in the Virgin Islands is a day of island hopping by water. Now there's lots of ways you can do that, but if you prefer a private catered luxury experience, then a day on your own chartered yacht is the only way to go. My name's Captain Max McAllister, and I'm going to tell you about what a day would be like on my vessel, Chillaxin. Chillaxin's word, it's two words put together. It means Chillin and Relaxin, and we're going to take you out for a day of chillaxin on our boat. And this video is going to give you an idea what it might be like if you rented your own charter yacht for the day. Keep in mind, no matter what you see in this video and how beautiful it is, it's never going to be the same as when you come here and get to experience it yourself. So if you come to the Virgin Islands, even if you don't choose our boat, make sure you get on a boat and get out and see the water. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you around our vessel. I'm going to show you its safety features, show you the layout of the boat, so you can get a feel of what it might be like to be out on the water with us for a day. We're going to show you the best snorkeling spots. We're going to show you the best places to hang out and party. We know the best restaurants, and we know the secret private spots for a romantic walk if you're coming with a loved one. We can take up to 6 people on our cruise throughout the islands, and take your choice. Family, friends, adults, children, everybody's welcome on Chillaxin. One of the beauties of chartering your own private yacht for the day is it allows us to design a perfect day for you. At your booking, we're going to consult with you on your preferences for food and drink. There will be an open call liquor bar all day on the vessel at your request. We'll start a typical day with a short cruise to a private secluded beach, and then we'll serve you an exquisite continental breakfast. And then from there, the day is yours. We can go island hopping, or we can take you to many of the incredible snorkeling spots here in the US or British Virgin Islands. We'll try and hit a lunch ashore. Most people prefer to take a lunch ashore so that they can see one of the many cool bars here on the beaches that exist around the US and British Virgin Islands. Typically it's off to a party spot, but you also have the option of going to a secluded romantic beach. The choice is yours, it's your day. Let us know and we'll take you there. From the moment you arrive at the dock, your safety is our greatest concern. To ensure your safety, there will always be a U.S. Coast Guard certified master captain on board, as well as a first mate. Both the captain and the first mate are trained in first aid, CPR, and firefighting techniques. Our vessel is equipped with the latest U.S. Coast Guard approved personal flotation devices as well as firefighting equipment. Now, we're not going to need any of that stuff. It's just to let you know that we've gone over the top to provide for your safety. In 2008, our vessel was repowered with the latest 2009 MerCruiser engines and transmissions. These engines are the most reliable, state-of-the-art powertrains available, and they ensure for a hassle-free, trouble-free day on the water. And basically, we just tell you all this so you know that our top priority is your safety, and your top priority needs to be to chillax.